Bye. So na ko'y video sa una sa akong English nga vlog talking about wayfarers on how to fix it. Kung kanang yung wayfarer, kanang rayban wayfarers nimo, luag igana nimo mahagtak sa mong naong. So what you can do is that you just blow dry the middle part here. Kung blow dryer dili pusil. Blow dry nimo tunga until mainit, and then if i-bend nimo inana and wait for it to cool. So that's how you do it. At the same time, kung diri pita murag medyo wang-wang na siya, blow dry it here and then i-bend pasulod until mo cool down. So you keep on bending it until it cools down. Just be careful, don't overdo it, because the thing is, kung mo overdo, malanay ng plastic and it's gonna look ugly. You can use a heat gun, but I don't know, I don't have a heat gun, basig overkill na, basig malanay siya. But bottom line is just heat it up and bend it. Though in the next few days, in a few days, mubalik din siya ka straight and then muluag siya balik. Just get a blow dryer again and blow dry it. You can find a blow dryer hotel or whichever. You can, it's easier. Kung heat gun, you have to buy a heat gun. But blow dryer, some people use it, so you can use that. Other than that, that's it. I just want to say sorry sa katong nakaadto sa akong vlog, sa English vlog nga nailad, naglagot, na feeling clickbaited. I was just making a vlog. And it was just a vlog, and a lot of people click on it. Magyaw-yaw sila, unsam ni, dugay ka ng sugod, unsam mo na diya. But it was just a vlog, man. It was not a tutorial. Anyway, I'll link the video down below if you want to check it. Have a laugh. It's a vlog, and I was a newbie. But other than that, that's how you do it. Ciao.